With 22, negative 2 raised to the 4th, that's actually going to be a positive 16. So if you go on your calculator and do negative 2 in parentheses and raise that to 4, you get a positive 16. This is because you're taking negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, and those negatives will all cancel out because you have an even number of them. With the a to the 5th, this is a to the 5th raised to the 4th, so this will be a to the 20th. With 23, the 5, it's applying to here, here, and there. So this will be p to the 25. This will be x to the 5th, because again there's an implied 1 here and here. And then this will be 6 to the 5th, but they want us to actually write that out. So if you take 6 raised to the 5th, then you get 7,776. And that would be our answer. For 24, I want to distribute my powers. So 3 cubed. I don't want to do 3 times 3, I want to do 3 cubed. That is 27. Then x to the 3 raised to 3, that's where we do 3 times 3, so that'll be x to the 9th. And then this is times 5 squared is 25. X squared raised to the 2, you want to multiply the exponents, and that will be x to the 4. And then if you multiply these, 27 times 25, we get 675. This will be x to the 13. And that'll be our final answer.